I'm Cody Delbeck. I work for Prescription Landscape and I am the fleet manager. The market that Prescription Landscape takes care of is mainly commercial, mainly go after hospitals, big campuses, you know. We want people that want snow removal. We want people who want ice melt put down and application of salt. That's why we want those customers. The critical factors are zero tolerance, no snow, no ice, ever, starting as soon as it starts to snow. My passion lies in making sure the job can get done, not so much removing the snow, but making sure the snow can be removed with the right tools. And that's why we have the Ventracs and the SSVs. It takes the place of 20 temp shovelers.
My name's John Pollock. I work for Prescription Landscape and I'm a mechanic. I have several hundred hours on SSVs doing snow. It's a job that's got to get done. And especially the hospitals, they never close. So you have to be there. Keeping people comfortable is probably the biggest challenge, and then getting labor, people to come want to do the job. We do struggle with that a lot. Snow removal can be fun. It is. There's a passion for it. We gotta get the job done. We have clients that count on us.
Once we had the right equipment, Ventracs, SSVs, and for sidewalks, I mean, it was night and day instead of using a shovel.
It's definitely smaller than the 4500, but has all the same / similar attachments. You can get it into tighter, smaller areas. It's pretty awesome.